Kekere-Ekun.
And the organization represents?
National Association of Sea Dogs, Pyrates Confraternity.
So can you tell us the significance of why you are here?
Yeah, we're here on this peaceful protest relating to the matter of assault between Honorable Alex Mascot Ikwechegh and Mr. Steve, the boat driver, whom he assaulted. I'm sure you would have seen the videos making the rounds. And we are not unmindful of the fact that it's in the news now that the honorable member has been arrested and the matter is being investigated. However, we have undertaken this protest such that this arrest is not another facade where supposed big men in society would commit crimes, you know, and then the police will tell us they've been arrested, and then the next day you see the same man on the street not being prosecuted, you know. So we want to forestall this level of lawlessness, you know, in our country. Every human being is first of all a human being before you are either a fisherman or a president, and so we must have this respect for humanity. This is, you know, why we're here today.
Updates.